How to free up disk space on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to free up disk space on Windows 11. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a step one, that is to use the storage sense. So here, simply press Windows plus I to open the settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, then you simply have to look at the left-hand side and there you simply have to click on the system. And now here, once you are inside the system, then you simply have to scroll down and there you simply have to click on storage. And now here, once you are inside the storage, there you can see the option labeled as storage sense. So here you simply have to toggle on the storage sense option. And now here you can simply click or double click on the storage sense to open it. And now here in this section, you can simply scroll down and there under the configure cleanup schedule, there you can simply set up and run the storage sense in your preference. And now here, once you set that, it will automatically clean temporary files, recycle bin and download folder. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to delete the temporary files. So here once again inside the settings, you simply have to go to the storage section. And now here in this section, you can see the option labeled as temporary files. So here you simply have to double click on it. And now here, once you are inside the temporary files, there you simply have to check the items that you want to delete. For examples like recycle bin, temporary files, delivery optimization files, and once you have selected that, simply click on remove files. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to uninstall the unused apps. So here, again, inside the settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and there you simply have to click on apps. And now here, inside the apps, you simply have to click on the option labeled as installed apps. And here in the section, you simply have to scroll through the list and there you simply have to uninstall the program that you no longer need by simply clicking on three dot, and here from the pop-up menu you can simply click on uninstall and confirm it. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to clean up the system files. So here you can simply click or press Windows plus S, and there you can simply type disk cleanup and simply double click on it to open it. And now here in this pop-up menu, you can simply select your drive. And here, once you have selected the drive, you can simply click OK. And after that, you can simply click on clean up system files and check items. And there you can simply click OK. And after that, you can simply delete the files. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to move files to the external storage or cloud. So here, simply click on the file explorer to open it. And now here, you simply have to click on this PC. And now here, if you found any unused files that you think is unuseful, then you can simply move the files from one disk space to another. And this will give some extra space and balance the space between both drives. And that's it. That's how you can free up disk space on Windows 11. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.